What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a little bit since I released my video, but I've been just really busy in life, and I also have been collecting some video footage for you guys to watch. But in today's video, what I'm gonna be discussing is my newest addition to interior mods. I'm gonna be showing you two things that I received from Raceseng, which is a very high quality company. I've been watching this item for a very long time. Finally, after about almost a year of owning the car, I pulled the trigger, took advantage of a recent deal they were running. I think it was 15% off, and I got myself a lug nut. It's made purely from titanium, and I don't know if you can see it because the lighting is kind of weird here, but it is a burnt titanium. It's handmade. Alright, I took the camera off the tripod because I wanted to show you the detail. But as you see here, it is burnt by hand. This loop is high quality as well. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be because I never really purchased lug nuts or anything like that. Look at the detail. I mean, this company is the highest quality on the market when it comes to interior accessories. I mean, there's nothing that you can find that would need improvement. Absolutely nothing. It's very expensive. I think this was $55 MSRP, but honestly, I don't care. What I want is the highest quality items that there are on the market for my STI, and I'd rather save up for it and get it. Beautiful. It's a beautiful piece. I absolutely am in love with this, and it's purely aesthetic, and I love that it's titanium. So this is one item. This goes towards my keychain. Alright, let's get to the good part. So this, you probably guessed what it is. It's a Stratos custom made shift knob, and I have to say that I wasn't sure what color I should do because I already have a little bit of red from Cobb for reverse lockout. I'll show you a picture of it on this video. And I didn't want more red. I feel like the car already has a lot of red, and I've seen interiors where people change like the AC knobs for red, and I just think it's just too much. I want a nice clean OEM look of my car, and this is double the weight. I'm gonna put the exact weight of the OEM. I think it's like 220 grams, the original OEM leather knob, and I believe this one is 400 and change, 400 something, so it's like double weight. And I've spoken with a few people that have these on Instagram. I've watched a little bit of YouTube. There's not much of this Stratos on YouTube. The only guy that has this knob that I watch is Scooby Freak 86. I really like what he's doing with this STI, and he has this knob in a different color, and he loves it. People that I spoke with on Instagram, they love it too, and I kind of imagine what that would feel like with my short shifter with all the bushings replaced. It already feels incredible, but I can only imagine how much with added weight it would feel better. So I'm very excited to try this out because it will actually change the experience of driving the car. Ready? I know I am. Enjoy the drive. Wham! Look at this. Sponge with their logo. I collect all the stickers that I get from everything I purchase. I don't want to put it on the outside of my car, like on the windows or on my paint. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it on the inside of my hood. The only thing is that it gets hot over there, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. So maybe I'm thinking on the inside of the trunk. I don't know. I haven't figured it out, but I am collecting all the stickers, and I will utilize these at a future date. Nice message, signature, printed, but nice. Everything is very high quality. Look at this adapter, and you know how to choose the adapter online because they have a whole PDF sheet with every make and model. Look at this quality. There's nothing that I can find. Nothing. Everything is perfectly painted. That's why you pay all this money. I think this was $340 plus tax, minus 15% because I took advantage of the deal. I mean, it's very, very expensive for a knob, but I want nothing but the best for my car, so that's why I got it. That is so much heavier compared to the stock one. Nice little bag, very soft material. Let's check it out, shall we? Oh gosh, let's see this. Would you look at that? Damn, dude. That looks so much better in person, and it just feels heavier than I anticipated. Wow, this Alcantara feels great, and this red stitching I think was a really good call. It is such a nice touch. I mean, check this out. It looks so much better in person than on camera or even on their website, I swear. Wow. Incredible. This is amazing. And actually under examples on metallic, I mean a cosmic white, which this is, I wasn't sure what the engraving was. I suspected it would be the same color or silver. So this silver looks really good with the cosmic white, and it just feels amazing. I can't wait to put this on and shift. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is metallic sparkle in there. It's maybe not metallic, maybe I'm describing it wrong. I don't even know if I would describe that as a sparkle, but it looks amazing. Let's get to my car. I'm gonna install this really quick. Alright, so let's get it started. I'm gonna unscrew this OEM shift knob. I just looked it up. It's about 200 grams for this one. That's the weight of it. I think it's like 197 or 193. Bottom line, it's around 200 grams, whereas the new Stratos 360 and change, so it's close to double the weight. This feels really nice. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. But again, I have no idea what to expect from heavier shift knob. I will always change the knobs, I think. Like whenever I feel bored with the other one and I miss this one, I'm just gonna keep it in the bag that this one came in and just change it whenever. So I'll keep it. It's kind of nice because it's real leather. I love how it goes well with the car. It's the OEM look, very nice. That's what it looks like. Right, that should do it. It's a learning process, I should say. Screw it in. Look at that, perfectly goes in. Yeah, it's sitting real tight. I'm gonna use this. That should be enough. 15 minutes and I'm gonna install the knob, and as you remember, I'm gonna use this to adjust the angle of the knob, you know, so it's perfectly centered. Also, while I'm waiting, I decided that I would show you the differences in these knobs. Both beautiful. I do like the original, but I always itch to replace something in the car. You know how it is. Once you start modifying your car, it's very difficult to stop, really. That's all I think about, is what to do next. Kind of need to get a second job if I want to continue doing it. The knob is similar in size, but the base, as you see, is a little bit longer. Very similar here. I really can't wait. As I finally did it, I had to unscrew it and screw it back a few times to adjust it so it's even. But I mean, look at that. Beautiful. It's beautiful. And ironically, I wanted white too because I think white looks good. And quite frankly, I would probably, as of now, prefer this to be all black with white. But I'm gonna enjoy this for a while because that's what I wanted in the first place. You see, that's Cobb. Worst case, I would just order the same brand for this, for the pull-out. But I'm gonna enjoy this now. It's my country's colors, you know, from Poland, white. over red like a Polish flag, so it's kind of cool. There's a little bit of red here, you know, with the other red accents around the car, so I really like it. But the real test is, let's see how it shifts. Whoa, that is so cool. This is really, really cool. I don't even know how to explain it, but it is really nice feel. It is definitely an improvement. Once I'm gonna be driving, I'm gonna get used to this, but this feels, it's just better. It's like stronger shift, and it feels shorter. It's not shorter, but it's just, it feels better. Wow, what an improvement. Yeah, it was missing. Like, this whole setup was already ridiculously good, but right now it's perfect. Perfect. Love it. Seriously. Wow. Love it, and it looks amazing too. Alcantara. Feels so good. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm still learning everything, videography, all these things about cars, and just hang in there with me. But I appreciate you guys subscribing, liking the video, and engaging in a conversation. Keeps me going. I'm looking forward to be doing more videos. I have so many different ideas. I don't think this will ever stop. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in a few days or so.